simplify the expression. Okay? We have here quantity 3x cubed y raised to 5 all over x squared y squared raised to 3 or cube. Naka-cube siya. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin dito, mag-apply tayo ng dalawang laws of exponent, which is yung quotient rule and then yung power of a quotient rule. So una, ang gagawin lang natin dito ay yung cube or yung 3 dito, i-distribute natin siya sa constant, which is dito sa 3, and then sa lahat ng variable. So, paano natin yan gagawin? So, una, ang gagawin natin, i-cube natin si 3. So, equals 3 cube. Ayan. And then, i-multiply din natin siya dito sa exponent ng x. So, we have 3 times 3. And then, kay y din, y raised to 5 times 3. Okay? All over, ganun din dito sa denominator. So, x 2 times 3. Then, y times 2 raised to 2 times 3. Okay? Now, pwede na natin siyang i-simplify. So, simplify natin siya. So, ano yung 3 cube? So, we have 27 here. Ayan. And then, x, 3 times 3 is 9. And then, y, 5 times 3 is 15. All over, x, 2 times 3 is 6. And then, y, 2 times 3 is also 6. Ngayon, pwede na tayong mag-apply ng quotient rule. So, since wala namang coefficient yung denominator, we'll just copy 27. And then, x, exponent ng x sa numerator is 9 minus yung exponent ng nasa denominator, which is 6. Ganon din kay y. So, y raised to 15 minus 6. So, equals 27 x cube y raised to 9. So, ito ang ating final answer.